Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing a full maintenance on the truck. When I say full, I mean oil change and fuel filters. I have them down here. We're going to be doing it on my truck. I'm going to show you the process on my truck. We're also going to be doing it on my father's. My father drives a 2024 Ram 2500 and mine is a 3500. It's going to be the same exact thing. All right, guys. So first things first, on your passenger side towards right here, you're going to have your fuel filter. It's going to be an 8mm to drain. So your fuel filter is going to be right there, and if you zoom in, you're going to have an 8mm that you have to remove to let it drain out, okay, before you remove the whole housing. You can see obviously a big difference. You got your old one, your new one, so maybe that's 10,000 miles, so yeah, that's pretty dirty. So you're going to remove this O-ring, put the O-ring in, and then reverse process. That bottom one's done. I had to get a longer ratchet because to get more leverage, but the first one's done. The second one you're gonna have is gonna be right in here. So it's gonna be on the right side block of your engine. On the driver's side, you're gonna need a swivel, most likely, to get that. So it's gonna be a 28 as well. All right, so once you guys remove the filter, you're gonna have this seal. Make sure yours is on. This one's already built in, okay? Make sure yours is on there, and you're gonna have the one that goes to the male down here. Make sure you put the new one on, okay? Because if not, you're gonna have a leak. And then basically same thing, put this inside. This goes in a specific way. You see it's an oval shape, goes in a specific way, and then put your cap on and then tighten it nice. It's kind of uncomfortable, but we got it going. It's pretty tight. And you're always gonna wanna check for leaks. So basically 2 filters down. Now we're gonna jump into the oil. Your oil filter is going to be on your passenger side right there. I've heard this one can be a pain, so we're gonna find out today. For $6 they sell this cap that you would put on the tip of the filter to remove it because you had to angle it, but I ordered it, it didn't come in time. It said it was delivered, it never was, so it's gonna make a little of a mess. That's okay, we'll clean it up after. We're working in a nice shop here where it can get dirty, no problem. So we'll get to that now. I bought tongs to it's just screw on, so we'll jump to that now. I'll show you guys that process. You would typically then put that oil cap on here, and then you could twist it out like this, and you're not gonna make a mess. But like I said, it didn't come in time, so we won't be doing that today. But basically, we used one of these to remove it. I had these tongs, but they were too small, the tongs, so we ended up using that, and that got the job done really easy. Here it's gonna be just a 3/8 plug. That's where you're gonna throw in your 3/8 extension, and you're just gonna undo it. All right, so we had to prime the system, put it in position, let it prime, make sure you're not leaking. We already added the 12 quarts of oil. To reset, you're gonna go to your vehicle info, okay? You're gonna toggle all the way to the oil life, and then you're gonna hold this one, and then there you're 100%. Same thing, you're gonna go up to find your, oh, fuel filter went up. You're gonna find your fuel filter, 0%. No one will listen and we don't judge. There you go, now you're at 100% and everything should be good. All right, so that's gonna be it for this how-to video. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys.